gonna get these awesome things that with my LLs in the giant pool.
Yeah.
And this isn't just a regular dress, it's pajamas.
Uh-huh.
And that's what I'm gonna wear to school when it's pajama day.
Oh, that's going to be so fun.
And
So what have we been doing? What have we been doing?
making it.
Making stuff. What we've been making.
The forts with the LOLs. And I got an extra, and I got a double rare.
Oh, yeah. That's right. Cupcake got an extra rare.
Let's go.
Okay, we're going to see if they float. Oh, dear. Is it going to float? Oh, my goodness. Cupcake, is it working?
Yes, it looks like it's right now.
Oh my goodness. We might have to put one extra floater on the bottom of it to make sure it stays afloat. Okay, let's check mine out.
Let's check yours.
Okay. Oh, and there's your extra rare. Your super rare, was it?
That's my super rare.
Okay, I don't know.
It's gonna float.
You think so?
Maybe not.
Oh, it's totally floating.
This is so fun.
Oh, yeah.
It's a good storm on us. It looks kind of stormy.
It does. We might have to take the boats in, row the boats to shore
Look.
pretty quickly here. So, what's she got?
I'm gonna take a photo.
Oh, she's got her camera there. Here, let's spin her around. Oh, she's taking lots of pictures on her little boat ride. She's got a swing and her umbrella. I feel like we should put even more stuff in there. And let's check yours out. There she goes. Yours has a table and a chair and a diving board.
I think I'm gonna go for a dive too.
Oh boy.
Let me take off my stuff. Can you hold this for me?
Yeah, it floats too good and it's getting windy. There's probably a little bit of a storm coming.
Dive.
Okay.
She's.
Oh dear. Can you get him? What? What happened?
Okay, I think I'm going up.
Why? What happened?
Actually, no, I'm not. I'm gonna sit.
Okay. We had a fun time crafting
It
these.
doesn't have a wall.
Oh dear. Can she sit there without falling in?
I don't know.
You gotta stick your feet underneath a little bit, underneath the chair. LOL, girl. Oh yeah, she's got it.
Ah, yay! I am
And there
so
goes
excited.
there goes our other one.
Whee! We're going! Oh, I'm by the shore.
And I crashed.
Yay! I'm going by the floaties.
Oh boy. It's like a LOL boat party. On the chlorine thing is in the way of the pump. We need to put one extra floater thing on yours, I think.
I want to eat something.
Oh, what are you going to have?
Can you please get me a donut from inside? It's one of those donuts. I have them in the playroom on my little dolly thing, my dolly house.
Oh, the little donuts that you got yesterday?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I want, there's a sparkly one. The sparkly one.
Okay. I'll go get it for her. Hold on. Did you mean this one?
Yeah. I like this one.
Um.
Now, hurry, we're taking a video.
Oh, it's okay. Nobody can see that right now.
So, we're still doing it. Look.
Oh, she's got her donut now.
Look way over there.
Oh my gosh.
There's another
She's not sinking, is she? Let me go check on her.
Maybe.
She looks like she's tilting a little bit. I think she's good.
Well, I'm having a joyful time.
Oh, yeah. Do you want to go for a little bit of a sail to the middle there, girl?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. Have fun.
Thank you. Look at me. I'm so enjoying my donuts. Yummy. Let me go.
Here she comes.
Yeah.
Oh, the wind's caught them.
Ah!
They're out of control.
Wait, I'm over here.
This one needs one extra floaty on the bottom.
Why?
Because she's kind of tilting in because she's heavy on that side.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you're going to crash.
At least it's in here.
Yep, she's good.
Hey, it's her too. Put her too.
Okay.
It's her. It's her.
Okay.
Hi. Hello.
Oh, hey, how's it going?
Good. Can you be the white girl? Hello.
Hi. I'm having a donut.
Well, can I have a donut?
Oh, I'm sorry, I only have one.
That's all right. I can go. Mom, you stay here. Keep doing the video.
Oh.
I'll be right back, guys.
It was a bit breezy today. Keeps blowing me off course. Whee! Oh, what's this strange floaty thing in the middle of the pool? Or excuse me. You just took
pass her to me.
You just took a second. Here she comes.
I want a donut. I got all the donuts.
Ooh, now we got plenty of donuts.
Pink.
Here I come. Did you get your donut? Oh, extra donuts. Sweet.
Nah.
That's in case we get really hungry, right?
Yeah. This is fun. Here, I'll push. This is so fun and fun.
Yeah, the wind keeps pushing us back to the same spot, though.
Hey! Stop that wind.
Yeah, come on. We're trying to...
Hey! We're close.
Oh, now it comes back.
Hey! Wind.
The wind says, you two go over there. Well, alrighty then.
Stop it.
Don't fall in, Cupcake.
I won't.
You don't even have a swimsuit on.
No, I have pajamas.
Mm-hmm.
Go.
No, we probably should turn the filter off because that's also pushing them this way.
Hey, can you do that?
Sure.
Or I can do it.
Yeah, I'll get it.
So you guys are going to go see the filter.
Yep, let's go over here to the filter. And excuse the messy yard.
Mint. That's our mint pack.
Yeah, we got some mint over there. Lots of messes everywhere. Here's our creative station where we've made a big mess. Oh, okay, now maybe they can go and see if the wind catches them again or if they can go. There's this tiny sweat bee on me, or whatever you call those little guys.
I think he's drinking your sweat.
I can't get him focused, but he's on me. Tickles a little bit.
Whoa!
Oh, jeez.
Okay.
Poor guy. He just blew him halfway across the country.
This is fun.
Wee-hee. We love this.
Oh, two of them are on
We love this boat ride.
that tickle.
And aren't they tickle?
Their tiny legs.
Their little tiny legs are so tickly. I can't get it to focus on them.
Tickle.
Oh, it's so tickly. Oh my goodness.
Stop it. You guys are tickly. Stop.
All right. It's been fun creating and sharing our creations with you guys. Maybe we'll make another video of them playing in their pools, their boats, right? I wonder, well, I don't know. Eggs. Ah, something's biting me. Nope, it's fine.
It's getting kind of windy. I'm scared.
Don't be scared. It's cool. Woo.
I'm scared.
Oh, you're scared? Like Cupcake is scared?
Yeah.
Oh.
Scared of something. And lightning. And everything. And once there was a huge...
Yeah, remember last night when, actually it was yesterday in the morning when that big boomer woke us up? Remember? You don't remember? It scared the heebie-jeebies out of you.
No, Mom.
And Digger started barking?
No, Mom, remember that long time ago where I hit the thing?
It sure did. I don't know if you can see over there, but no, you can't really. But
yeah, but Papa's over there.
Yeah,
is,
doing his workout. I didn't.
And the music. And
yeah, I didn't take a video of that part.
No, don't.
Oh, and here's Luna. She's
Sit.
Luna. Luna. Yeah. What the heck?
She slaps it down.
Hey, she got her tape again. The heck? Uh-oh, I felt a raindrop. Uh-oh.
Maybe we should swim back to shore.
Yeah, we better take Oh, we better take the boats in. They're gonna get wet. It's okay, don't panic. Don't push them too far. Okay, come on. I got this one. Eek.
I'm starting.
Oh, jeez. It's okay. Okay, let's put them inside. Okay, bye, everybody.